Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I am going to tell you about how to off double tap to wake screen in Redmi 10 phone, guys. How can you off this setting in Redmi phone? Today I am going to tell you about. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Then, guys, you can see my video when I will upload. So now time to start video, friends. First of all, open your setting app. After that, guys, come on lock screen, double tap to wake turn off screen, guys. You want to off, and guys you will off it. And let's see, guys. Then, guys, I will tap 2 times, it will not on. So I hope, guys, you have understood how to off double tap to wake screen, guys, in the Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.